Hello watch fans and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today we'll be looking at another vintage Disney musical watch. This time we have the one with Winnie the Pooh with the rotating bees on the dial. So as we can see, the second hand is an actual circle and we have some bees that keep on rotating as the seconds go by. The watch is made by Seiko Marketing International. So you get that Seiko premium watch quality. So the quartz movement, the musical function are very solid. These watches were made in the 90s and late 2000. We have the original Disney buckle. The brown watch strap is in a pretty rough shape, but we will also include a new brown leather watch strap, but many people like to collect these with the original watch band, maybe the buckle, to keep them and replace it when needed. Now at 3 o'clock we have the watch crown, and at 2 o'clock we have the musical function. So when we press this button, the music will play. Let's check that together. So that was the song, a little bit short compared to other musical watches. Here on the right we have a similar model, but here we have Mickey Mouse, also made by Seiko. It plays a different song. And we also have various models from Loris, also with Mickey Mouse, such as this one, or the one with two musical functions, just like this one. So you have two musical functions. And if you're interested in purchasing a vintage musical Disney watch, please make sure to check out the link in the description below, or go to vintageradar.com, where we have hundreds of vintage Disney watches for sale. Please make sure to like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and until next time, peace.